I have no words. I'm too stunned to speak. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Ann. If you're new around these parts, basically all I do is play makeup. I shop too much, I'm awkward as fuck, and sometimes I might talk just a little bit. If any of those things sound cool, grand, or fabulous to you, make sure you hit that subscribe button, boo, and join this beautiful ass gang. Because who wouldn't want to be a beautiful ass person? And while you're thinking about it, let me just vent to y'all real quick. So, my phone has been playing with me. The speakers went out. They decided that they were no longer going to work like they should without me having to bang on it like an old TV. So I hit up my insurance company that I have with my phone company, and they were like, yeah, you know, let's go ahead and try and get it repaired and save you some money. And I'm always down to save money. So I said, okay. I get angry because when they send me to this repair people,
3 hours later,
the repair people cannot repair my phone. Anywho, long story short, they gave me a number to call because they couldn't fix it. I called the number says it's the wrong number to call. They give me another number. The number tells me to do it online. I do it online, tells me to call another number. I call that number, and finally I'm getting my new phone, new-ish phone on the 2nd because I decided to order it on a Friday.
Everyone, boo this nigga!
Yay me. Now that we've gone through all of that, and if you are not new around these parts, I didn't forget about you. I needed to let that out. I'm sorry. Hey boo. Little extra razzle dazzle for you. If you are wondering what's going on back here, you know, why Aunt? Why can I see your background? Why is it not all blurry? It is not blurry because I have to use my mom's phone. My speaker went up, so I gotta use this one. Lucky you nosy. Also, this is how old I am. I just discovered something so freaking cool, right? So hold on a second. Ah, look, I just learned how to do this in like real time, not like behind the computer after filming for forever and a goddamn day. This is real time, y'all. I feel like I'm giving like the news. I'm excited. I'm excited because I got ideas with this one, baby. Anywho, back on track. Today we're gonna be doing a what are we doing? I don't know how to word it. It's a basic, simple New Year's Eve makeup look that TikTok made me do. You just gotta be rude, don't you? Every time. I don't ever hear you when I'm not filming. Need more context? I gotcha. I gotcha. So this is the look. This may look very basic, simple, you know? But it's how it's done, you know? It's how it's achieved. Keep watching the video. It's very innovative. It's very, I can do that. It's you know? So that's just what we're gonna do. I'm gonna go ahead and do my brows and put the tape on and prime my face. And by the time I come back, oh, we just gonna get on the damn thing. We just gonna start it, baby. We just gonna go. Yeah. I conveniently forgot to mention we were going to zoom in to begin, but you know, here we are. Also, if you're curious as to what I am putting on this canvas, make sure you go ahead and check out the description box below because that should have damn near 90% of the items I'm using. You know, y'all, you know I be forgetting sometimes some things and stuff. Okay, so we got the tape on, face prime, boom, eyebrows down, boom, palettes, boom. This time I am so much more prepared than normal. So the two palettes that I'm gonna be using today is this Revolution Batman palette because we stand the bat over in this house. Actually, the husband's Superman, but you know, whatever. And also this palette. So from what I can recall, we're gonna take our smallest beauty blender and it's gotta be dry. from what I thought I understood, it's supposed to be dry. I think I have the same one that she's using in the video, but I mean, I guess we gonna see. Maybe. It doesn't have a name, so it's on the palette number 8. It's just black, number 8. I got the Batman emblem. I don't know how well this is gonna work. I'll drag it. I'll just drag it off the palette and then like place it on the. Ooh, yes, wow. Bitch, I have no words. I'm too stunned to speak. No, because let me explain. When I tried to do this with a brush with this palette last time, I barely got anything. And now that I'm using a beauty blender, it wants to act right. Just disrespectful. Oh, so disrespectful. It is going on so effing solid. So effing solid. And since my eyelids wants to act like it's ready for its retirement fund and its AARP, I have to drag it down a little bit to make sure that I get into them creases. You may not have to, but I do. Lucky you. My bad, my bad, my bad. So now we're gonna dig into this Morphe palette right here that I have never used, but my children have. And I'm gonna go in with, no, I have used this. Not me lying in 4K or HD, depending on whatever mode. I'm gonna go in with R-E-S-P-E-C-T. This sparkly pretty shade right here. I know in the other one they went with like a silver, but I don't want to do silver. I like color and I like sparkle, gosh darn it, and that's just what I'm gonna go. I could go with Dream Big. I'm gonna go with R-E-S-P-E-C-T. If they used the beauty blender for that part too, I mean, I'm nervous. It's really chunky on here. I don't trust that. I mean, it's kind of working. Let's just hope it continues to. I am not trying to start over. I don't remember them using primer either, which probably would not have been a bad idea. You know, it's glitter. Why wouldn't you? Because you're lazy like me. Or forgetful. One of the two. No shaming. It's pretty. It's so pretty. I think they take the edge of it and they just kind of blend it out. Blend it out to the tape. I hope. I don't remember. Yeah, that's what I'm just gonna say they did. So that's what we're gonna do. And of course, uh-ohs we're not worried about because we're just gonna clean it up with our Garnier anyway. Right now, we're just focused on getting the shape. Yeah, feel me. Do you feel what I am saying? Probably. You probably got no damn clue. Let's match them up, dang. And since I grabbed so much, or put so much right there, I re-dip it. Apply it over here. It seems to be working. Yeah. So I took this little brush from Morphe and I just kind of blended it out a little bit above the top and on the sides right here just because it looks a little rough to me and I like it. I like to call this my little eraser brush because it looks like it's erasing some of it. Looks like my little corrector brush. That's what I should call it, a corrector brush. Even though I'm sure it's like a blending kind of a flat tip, fluffy blending brush, but I like to call it little eraser. My little Aizawa. Now I'm just gonna clean it up a little bit. I'm too lazy to look for my Q-tips, so this little pad's just gonna have to do. Feel like a sparkly raccoon. Maybe that's the point. I'm gonna go ahead and take this tape off for the big reveal. Bitch, stop playing with it. Don't play with it. Don't play with it. Don't play with it. That's just gonna be the phrase for 2023. I'm sorry. It is. I predicted. Alrighty. So now here is the time. This is where we have landed. This is where we are. We're gonna speed up time. So make sure so I can do the rest of the face real quick. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna put the face on and the face with the face and listen to some good tunes. So I hope you are ready and I will see you in a few minutes. Ow. Did something really fall in my eye? What the? It was glitter. It was glitter. Use primer.
I'm a suspect. Hanging with the killers in the projects. Taylor want a barrel, keep quiet. Catch a nigga slipping from behind. OG Bobby Johnson. OG Bobby Johnson. OG Bobby Johnson. OG Bobby Johnson. One nigga out like an outbreak. Chopper start to make the house shake. Niggas sweeter than a pound case. Eyes on your chin, better watch what your mouth say. With the footballs, got a nigga tripping. Fuck it, nigga keep sipping. AK with the beam on it. Clip sold on like a lean on it. My niggas like behind ball. Move 100
whatever they said in this song. I do not speak Korean. I just set my face. Hold on. I love this song. I love that song. Should they? I know they're coming back. I know. They got a tour date in January in Chicago. I would love to go to Chicago. I was born there. But I would love to go to Chicago. Also, another side note, I'm done. This little Maybelline Fit Me does not fit me. It doesn't do what it's supposed to do. At least right here in the mirror, I'm looking pretty decent, you know? It's okay. It's not too bad. But on the phone, oh no. No ma'am. We cannot have that. That's not the whole point of what I was trying to say earlier. I think what I was trying to say was that now that my face is set, I'm going to step off camera and do the rest of the look and come back with the final results for you because we're towards the end of the video. That's all I wanted to say. Also, I hate that Fit Me Maybelline face moisturizer foundation looking thing. It's not, maybe I'm using it wrong. Maybe it's me. I don't know. But you get what you pay for. Okay, I'll see you in a few. Okay. This is the final look. The lips still kind of scare me a little bit. I haven't had lips this bright in a really long time. I think it came out overall pretty well. I tried to do my little poof ponytail thing, and it was not working because only half of my hair frizzed up, and the other side, you know, just gave me the good old middle finger. But anyways, this is the whole New Year's Eve makeup look. With the sparkle. The whole New Year's Eve makeup look with the sparkle that TikTok made me do with a beauty blender. I don't know if that's the name of the title of this video. We're gonna find out. Anywho, if you like this makeup look or you like this video, I'm sorry I'm not as chaotic as I normally am, but you know. Well, I told you earlier in the video, boo. You know why. If you liked this video, go ahead and let me know you liked this video by hitting that like button. And if you're new around these parts, don't be afraid to hit that subscribe button and join this beautiful ass gang, okay? Always wanting. Always welcoming. And while you're over there, don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can be notified any and every time that I upload because I can promise you, I just be posting whenever. I can't wait to show all the people at Walmart. That was a lot of spit. I can't wait to show the people at Walmart how pretty my makeup is. It's hella cute. I could have blended this better, but you know what? Maybe it's just the camera making it look so bright. That's better. Anywho, I will catch your beautiful ass next time. Bye.